Best regard. My name is Ginette Moreno Talero. My group number is 82. Comprehend intellectual property. Synoptic table picture. The selected obstacle was no new ideas are generated. Libel obtain records. Causes. Insufficient application of innovation theories. There is not constant creation of the idea. The personal idea is not useful to the public. It is an idea, not enable. Lack of intellectual support. Consequences. Loss of human and economic capital. Loss of business competitiveness. Loss of profits for the organization. The idea can be stolen and employed by another organization. Disappearance of the company in the absence of good alternatives. Recommendation 1. Verify that the idea by prisoner to the corresponding body complies with the basic registration requirements. Useful for the public. It is not been invented before. Not by combination of previous techniques, and by an idea that can be operated to some extent by trained people. 2. Plan an economic investment for the idea. This investment is supported by intellectual support. Practical methodologies and theories of innovation. On the other hand, it is advisable to keep the idea in constant creation. Thank you for your attention.